How to start Hamster Kombat games on Telegram. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how you can start the bot Hamster Kombat on Telegram and play games in it. So the first thing you want to do is launch your application, Telegram. And once you are here, you can just tap on this search icon at the top right and search for Hamster Kombat. And once you see it, you can just choose this chat, which is verified. So just tap on it. Now here you will see an option to start, so just tap on start and you will be welcomed with something like this. So you just tap on this message that says play in one click. So just tap on it and tap on start. Now it will open the in-app default browser on Telegram and you should be able to start the game right here. So Hamster Kombat is basically a crypto token that you can play games in and earn tokens. So as you can see here, you can tap and earn coins, pump up the hamster, upgrade your exchange, invite friends and get bonuses together. And finally, you have an option to subscribe to the Telegram community. Now you can just tap on play. Here, if you have just started it, you will see a receiving gift and you'll get different kind of stuff right here. You can just play around and find out what this will do. You can unlock different kind of skins. You can level up your character and play games. And that's how you start your Hamster Combat account on Telegram. I hope you found this video helpful. I will see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.